On to Bitcoin now, because the cryptocurrency kicked off the new year by tumbling below $14,000, now extending its slide from a record $19,500 that we were all talking about on December 18th. This is the first time since 2015 that the cryptocurrency has actually started a new year with a fall. So more on this, Bloomberg's China markets reporter Justina Lee joining us now from Hong Kong. So Justina, talk to us about why this is falling. What's powering this slide today?
Well, it's a bit of a fool's errand to try to ascribe, a reason to Bitcoin's price moves these days. But we did see, a 5% drop yesterday in Bitcoin's prices. Now, I guess you could say it could be some profit taking. After all, we saw a huge rally in December in the run-up to the start of Bitcoin futures trading on CBOE and the CME. So, I think there is increasingly this sense that maybe we're waiting for a moment of reckoning for Bitcoin because, you have haters worrying that this is a bubble in the making, and then you have kind of the believers saying that Bitcoin is gaining mainstream acceptance. And if you follow that argument, that there could be room for more gains.
If this is a turning point for Bitcoin, what does it mean for other cryptocurrencies? Ripple's been around since 2013, but we really just see the headlines about that cryptocurrency over the past few weeks.
Right. I think a big theme to watch in 2018 is whether we're going to see a catch-up, in the other cryptocurrencies, what other people often call altcoin. Now, of course, most people have heard of Ethereum. A lot of people are starting to hear about Litecoin and Ripple. But you have to remember that a lot of these cryptocurrencies have their own technological characteristics and have their own use cases. For instance, Ripple and Litecoin tend to be associated a bit more with, transactions and payments. And so, we really need to see whether these other cryptocurrencies are going to catch up as well.
Yeah, Ripple, which managed to jump 53% in just 24 hours, much more volatile even than just Bitcoin. So clearly the year of crypto last year, and might be the year of crypto again this year as we start off the year talking about it. Justina Lee there for us in Hong Kong.